Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Grab another gift box. Stay tuned. So we've been doing some projects here recently with wrapping paper and gift boxes and showing you the various ways that we can use those for some last minute ideas. That's what we're doing today. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. Welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. We are getting so close to Christmas, and I have a fabulous idea for how we're able to take one gift box top or bottom, and we're going to turn it into something amazing. So I'll give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. So I have a gift box top here, and this gift box top is 12 by 5 by 3. So yours does not have to be this size. It's the process that's going to work for you. So here is what we're going to be able to make using that gift box. This is going to be another no measuring project required, and I'm going to show you how with just a few strategic folds you're going to be able to make this beautiful little purse gift box. You can put goodies in it. You can put little perfumes in this box. You can put toiletries, candies, all types of littles will go in this box, and it's going to be made using this gift box top. So remember, the size that you're working with doesn't matter. What matters is the process. So let's go ahead and first deconstruct our box. And if you're using a directional print the way that I am, the back side of your box might be upside down. Y'all, that's okay for me because this is one of those things that we're making using what we have, a gift box. So we're not going for perfect. We're going for, let's take what we have and let's make something cute and presentable. So we have our directional pattern, and you want to make sure that when you start, you're starting with the directional pattern facing you in the right orientation. So let's take it with it facing like this, and we're simply going to fold it up, and then we fold where this end piece meets. So we're folding to get that crease. Then I'm going to move that, bring in my big old spatula, and crease. Then we're going to do it one more time. We're going to fold this over, fold it there, and then fold it again to get that crease so that you'll know where to fold. And then we're simply going to fold. And we'll burnish. So now on this end, you're going to have 3 panels. 1, 2, 3. And then here, you're going to have this wide panel and this piece. Take this piece, fold it over, and fold to get a score. Like that. So now I'm going to take my finger blade and I'm going to remove this section and this section. So these first 2 panels here, I'll be removing. So let's just go ahead and remove these. Trying to be straight. Won't be perfect. Don't throw this away because we'll be using a portion in just a minute. So now that you have it like this, we're going to take this piece and we're simply going to fold it over to get as close to that score mark as we can. So basically what we've done is we've taken this panel and we've folded it in half. So your piece is going to look like this. You'll have 3 wide pieces and then these 2 narrow pieces. Now we're just going to free the tabs on all of our pieces. So we can go ahead and just reduce these in size, these two. And then let's angle in and angle in, angle in, and angle in. So far your piece should look like this. We're going to rotate it, and on this side we're going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and free this. Then I'll reduce it. And then I'll angle here, angle here, angle here. And angle here. And now I'm going to take my glue, place glue on these two pieces, and fold over. And let's get those stuck. And do the same thing here. Place some glue on those two pieces, fold over, and get these stuck. So now I'm going to take these pieces, I'm calling them the wings, and we're just going to reduce this in size because we don't need all of that bulk. Then we're going to take this back piece and I'm going to reduce it in size like this because again, y'all, we don't need all of that bulk. And I'll reduce this one in size. So now we're ready to put it together. The way we're going to put it together is we're going to add our glue and we will glue it together like this. So I'm just going to angle that a little bit. So let's add our glue to this front tab. And we'll get it stuck right there. Like that. Go in with my big old spatula, get that nice and tight on that glue and that crease. Then we'll do the same thing here. And we're going to get this one stuck. Go in. And then we'll take these pieces, add our glue, I don't know if y'all can hear that rain, but we are having a baby monsoon outside. It's been raining since yesterday. Now that we have our glue on, we're just going to take this and join it to create our little box. Do the same thing on this side. Join it to create that little box. Go in. Make sure that I have a really good stick on this. I'm going to give that a moment to dry before we do any manipulation of this. So let's set that to the side and we're going to go ahead and make a handle. So all I'm going to do to make my handle is just use my scraps by cutting off a little bit. And this will be my sweet little handle. Absolutely zero measuring on these projects. Then I'm going to take this piece and I'm just going to curl it. And then I'll take where the natural fold is and fold it like that. And then I'm just going to do a decorative little angle on this. So now we should be able to take our box and let's just pinch. Go down as far with that pinch as you want, and then you can fold over and let that catch. And this is what you're going to have. You're going to have this nice little box. We need a way to hold it shut. So I'm going to use a Velcro dot. You can use a magnet if you want, but I'm using a Velcro dot. I'm going to place the Velcro dot right here. And then I will just take that, get it stuck, open this, go in and make sure I have a really good stick on my Velcro. And now I have my sweet little purse. I am going to take just a little bit of my hot glue, place my hot glue right there. And y'all, I do use a high temp glue. If you're interested in the glue gun, it is in my Amazon storefront and the link is in the description box. And I'm going to take this handle, put it down on this end, and then put it down. Y'all, it does not get any simpler than this, because now we have a stinking cute little paper purse. I am going to take this Merry Christmas sticker, mount it to some red background paper, and then I'm just going to trim it out. This is going to give me a nice little decorative finish to my sweet gift box paper purse. When I put it down, I'm going to put it down right there. So I'm going to take my glue, add my glue, take this piece, and there we have it. There is my second little gift box paper purse. When finished, this little purse is 5 by 3 by 3 in approximation, but your gift box does not have to be the size that I use. The process works for whatever size gift box it is that you have in your stash. So I am going to bring that first one back in so you guys will see how quick and easy we were able to make these using a gift box. I bought my gift boxes when they were $1 at the Dollar Tree, and you get 8 components in the set. So you're able to make 8 of these purses for either $1 or $1.25. I was able to make one of these, even if you go with the $1.25, you're able to make one of these for about 16 cents. How economical is that? It just doesn't get any better than this, and you didn't have to pull out your scoreboard to be able to make it. All you need to do is grab one of these or grab one of these and have some fun crafting these little paper purses. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this super fun, quick, and easy way that we can use our gift boxes for more than gift boxes. If you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you have, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.